Robert Vadra has spoken up on this issue about his wife Priyanka Gandhi. He is demanding an apology from BJP MP Vinay Katiyar for the sexist comment that he made. Let me go across to my colleague Aditi, who joins us for more. Aditi, now Robert Vadra is demanding an apology from Vinay Katiyar, but Vinay Katiyar doesn't really seem to be in a mood to apologize for what he said.
Well, Robert Vadra, husband of Priyanka Gandhi, has put out a post on his Facebook's social account. And in fact, if I can quote from that particular account of his, he has said that shocked at the misogynist and atrocious remarks of BJP MP Vinay Katiyar, saying there were prettier star campaigners in his party than the Congress's Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. This exposes the shameful mindset of some of our political leaders. We all need to respect women and accept them as equals instead of commodifying and objectifying them. As a society, we need to bring in a change. Vinay Katiyar should publicly apologize for his remarks. So finally, Robert Vadra too has reacted after Priyanka Gandhi and has demanded an apology coming in from Vinay Katiyar, saying that such statements from any political leader in the manner in which they are objectifying women is unacceptable. And as a society, we need a change. And he has demanded an apology coming in from Vinay Katiyar. We saw earlier also, Hina, that particular reaction coming in from Priyanka Gandhi as well, where she mocked the manner in which Vinay Katiyar had made those derogatory remarks against her. So Robert Vadra here demanding apology from Vinay Katiyar on one side, but on the other side, Vinay Katiyar continues to remain defiant, saying that he is nobody to apologize because he does not feel that he has done or said something that is wrong or derogatory to the integrity of women.